Are you tired of your trading card collection getting out of hand? Spending hours organizing and valuing every card individually? Well, we've got the solution for you. Trading card tracker apps. These apps will revolutionize the way you manage your collection. So let's dive in and look at the best ones out there. Ooh, shiny. When it comes to organizing your trading card collection, Collector is one of the apps at the top of the game. With a vast database covering popular trading card games like Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh! And Magic the Gathering, Collector allows you to easily add and sort your cards. You can even check their values and explore a marketplace to buy and sell cards. It is a collector's dream. If you're a sports card enthusiast, Collects is the perfect app for you. Not only can you scan and add your cards to the collection, but you can also connect with other collectors, buy and sell cards all within the app. It's a fantastic way to interact with like-minded individuals and stay up to date with the card collecting community. Go Sports. Another excellent app for sports card collectors is Cardbase. With Cardbase, you can easily add cards to your collection by searching, scanning, or even adding entire sets. The app allows you to browse and track cards you're interested in, giving you the flexibility to manage your collection efficiently. Plus, it provides the current value of your collection, making it a valuable tool for anybody looking to trade or sell. Now, if Pokemon is your game, look no further than PokeTCG. This app by Dragon Shield lets you scan and organize your Pokemon cards effortlessly. You can create decks, manage wish lists and trade lists, and see the value of your cards. For a premium experience, you can even subscribe to access ad-free usage and card price charts. It's a must-have for Pokemon card enthusiasts. And there you have it, the best trading card tracker apps we could find to help you organize your collection. Whether you're into Pokemon, sports cards, or other trading card games, these apps have got you covered. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual organization and hello to a streamlined and efficient way of managing your cards. If you use a different card app to track your trading cards, let us know about it in the comments. See you next time.